Hello all, let's talk about this amazing project by Praneeth Group. This project is located in Kollur and has only 3 BHKs. The project is already RERA approved. The flats range between 1617 and 2287 square feet. The construction is for 2 towers with a total of 144 flats. As per the RERA website, the project should complete by September 2024 but should be completed well before this date. Okay, when it comes to the pricing, the basic price quoted by the builder is 4699, but with negotiation, it should be around 4550 or 4600. The project has been pre-approved by most of the major banks, including HDFC, ICICI, and Axis Bank, and the 2080 plan is available for most of the home buyers. Let's look at the price sheet. Most of the prices are as per standard in the industry, but you can argue that the corner and east facing charges should be a bit lower. They're charging 2 lakhs for that, but most of the builders charge about 50 to 100 rupees per square feet. Let's look at the pros of this project. The first thing which comes to mind is its price. It's a decent price, and with a little bit of bargaining it could be more cheaper, so you have to bargain with the builder and the salespeople. The location is near Outer Ring Road, so majority of IT hubs are reachable within 20 to 25 minutes. There are a lot of good international schools nearby. Birla Open Minds International School is in fact at walkable distance, so families with little kids can seriously look into this project. Though the completion date is in year 2024, but I visited the site last week only, and the project should finish in next 8 to 9 months. And even the demo flats are ready, so most of the people can visit them. Praneeth Group is a reputed builder, and most of the products are of good quality and delivered on time, so it's less risky compared to other builders, and we can easily put our money in this project. Okay, let's look at some cons also. The first thing is that there is no good transport available there. So the project is near Kollur, not exactly at Kollur. So it's like in between Telapur and Kollur. And right now, the development wise, it's not that much developed. Uh, you need to have your own vehicle to reach the place or travel from here to there. Even the cab services such as Ola, Uber is quite less in this area. And during night, this is the issue. So if you have a night job, probably it's better to have your own vehicle. Secondly, area nearby is also not very developed. So the markets are like bit far. They are not at a walkable distance. So you need your vehicle to reach nearby markets. The markets are mostly Kirana shops. So you may have to go bit far to reach like Ratnadeep, Spencer to get most of the household items. Next con is only for few people as there are only 3 BHKs. This project is more suited for bigger families and not for a family of 2 or couples. Let's see the final verdict on this project. So we can safely say that this project is affordable and will be available in next to 8 to 9 months. Location is decent and close to schools and colleges. I would suggest buy for people who have a family of 4 to 6 members, as the 3 BHKs are not suited for smaller families. Please do like and subscribe for the efforts we put in to bring all the insights about your dream house. Thank you.